Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve some equations with radicals. The first thing I want to do is isolate this radical. So I'm going to divide both sides by -2, and that gives me positive 6 equals the square root of 2x minus 4. Now I'm going to square both sides to get rid of this radical, and I get 36 equals 2x minus 4. When I add this 4, I get 40 equals 2x, and when I divide by 2, I get x is 20. Now we need to check for an extraneous solution, so we're going to plug that 20 into the original equation, so that's -12 equals -2 times the square root of 2 times 20 minus 4. So that's -12 equals -2 times the square root of 2 times 20 is 40, minus 4 is 36. So -12 equals -2 times the square root of 36 is 6. And I'm satisfied. -2 times 6 is -12. It checks out. So 20 is a valid solution. For my next problem, I want to isolate the radical again, so I need to start by adding 11, and I get square root of -12 minus 4x equals 12. Then I will square both sides to cancel out that radical. -12 minus 4x equals 12 squared, 144. Then I'll add this 12, so I've got a minus 12, I need to add it. So 144 plus 12, that's 156. -4x equals 156. And then I'm going to divide by -4, and I'm going to bring the calculator in for this one. 156 divided by -4 is -39. And let's check that. -11 plus square root of -12 minus 4 times -39 equals 1. So that's -11 plus -12 minus 4 times -39 is 144. So the square root of 144 equals 1. The square root of 144 is 12. -11 plus 12 equals 1. I'm satisfied with that. That is true. So x equals -39 is a valid solution. And we're going to do one more problem with a radical equation. The distance to the horizon from an observer can be approximated by this equation, where d is the distance in kilometers, h is the height above ground level in meters. If you are in a helicopter and the distance to the horizon, so that would be d, is 98.5. 98.5 is d, so that equals 3.57 times the square root of your altitude or your height, which is h. So I need to start by dividing by 3.57. 98.5 divided by 3.57 is 2.5910. So we'll call it 2.59. So 2.59. I wrote that backwards. Let me try that again. 2.59 equals the square root of h, and then we will square both sides. Now, I rounded, so this number is not extremely accurate, but I still have this number here, and I need to square it. So I'm just going to hit squared, and it's going to square my previous answer, and I get that. So 761.27. So that 5 will bump the 6 up to a 7. So it's 761.27 meters is the altitude.